Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. Previous class we have completed level 2 problems up to 9. 8th and ninth easy question only. Up to 7 I am explained. Now I am going to explain 10th question. See here what they are given. An automobile driver travels travels from plain to hill from from to hill station 100-kilometer distance at an average speed of 30 kilometer per hour. He then makes of the return trip at average speed of 20 kilometer per hour. What is his over average speed over entire distance 200 kilometers? Is asking average speed. Average speed means it is average speed means it is velocity only now. See here average speed, here some formulas say v is equal to v1 v2 by v1 plus v2. What is the v1? V1 means first 100 kilometers. How much time is taken? 30 kilometer per hour. This is V1, 30 kilometer per hour. This is V1. V2, 20 kilometer per hour. Now they are asking average speed. Average speed. Substitute the values here. We get answer 2 into 30 into 20 divided by 30 plus 20. Numerator, observe that total 1200 divided by 50. 50. 0, 0 cancel. Now calculate this. 5 2s are 10. 5 4s are 20. So average speed V, I am getting 24 kilometer per hour. This is the answer. Third option correct. Read the question. Mean deviation of the series a plus d, a plus 2d and so on, a plus 2nd from its mean. Mean deviation about mean. What is the formula first of all? Mean deviation about mean. This is the formula 1 by n into sigma modulus xi minus x bar. This is the formula now. Xi minus x bar. Mean deviation about mean. First we need to find x bar. X bar means what? Mean. How to find x bar? Tell me. Sum of the observation a plus d plus a plus 2d plus and so on a plus 2nd divided by total. How many number of observations are there? Starts with 0. This is 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 2n. That means there are 2n plus 1 terms are 2n plus 1 terms. Okay. Now simplify this. Simplify this. A is repeated how many times? 2n plus 1 times. We can write 2n plus 1 into a. A is repeated 2 times means we are writing 2a now. Like that. But d, observe that started here. Here second term and this is 2n term. That means take d common. Remaining is sum of 2n natural numbers, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus and so on up to 2n divided by 2n plus 1. Now 2n plus 1 divided by 2n plus 1 cancel, only a we get. Next d into sum of 2n natural numbers. Sum of n natural numbers formula you know very well, n into n plus 1 by 2. Here 2n into 2n plus 1 by 2 whole divided by 2n plus 1. See, 2n plus 1, 2n plus 1 cancel, 2 also cancel. Finally, what we got mean? A plus nd. This is the mean, not mean deviation. Okay. Now, what is the mean deviation formula? Already I am written here. So mean deviation. How many number of terms are there, students? 2n plus 1 terms. Sigma xi minus x bar. What is the first term? A minus mean a plus nd. That means minus a minus nd will come. Plus second term a plus d minus mean and so on. What is the last term? A plus 2nd minus a minus nd. What I am done here? Put modulus. So here I am written sigma, no need to write, expand the sigma. Modulus. Okay. Now students calculate this. A is cancelled. In each and every term, A is cancelled. Remaining, observe that how many terms are there? 1 by 2n plus 1 into modulus. Observe here. That means each and every term we want to put the modulus, not only one term, right? Modulus minus nd, that is we get nd only. Next, this is also nd. No. D minus nd. What we get? 1 minus n, that is n minus 1 into d. Sorry. N minus 1 into d. Next step, n minus 2 into d. And so on. Finally, we get 1 into d plus 0 plus again 1 into d, 2 into d, and so on. At the last term, we get n minus 1 into d plus nd. Yes or no? There are 2n plus 1 terms. One of the term is going to 0. Remaining is left side n terms, right side n term. This is one term. This is n, this is 1. Totally 2n plus 1 terms or not? Right. Now each term is repeated twice. So calculate like this. 2 into divided by 2n plus 1. And each and every term having d, take common. Remaining what is there? N plus n minus 1 plus and so on 2 plus 1. That meaning is sum of n natural numbers only now. What is the formula? 2d into n plus 1 by 2. This is sum of n natural numbers divided by 2n plus 1. 2 to cancel. Final answer is n into n plus 1 into d by 2n plus 1. This is the final answer. Once check the options. Which option is correct? N into n plus 1 into d by 2n plus 1. Fourth option correct. Here mean deviation through median is 15 and median is 450. Find coefficient of mean deviation. What is coefficient of mean deviation formula? Coefficient of mean deviation, that is equal to mean deviation divided by median. Mean deviation divided by median. What is the mean deviation? 15 already given. Median 450. Just to do the calculation, you will get answer. 15 30s are 450. So answer is 1 by 30. Students, are you understood? Variance means n square minus 1 into d square by 12 whenever is there observations in AP series. In examination, they will ask question like this. Find standard deviation of first 20 natural numbers. 20 natural numbers or 50 natural numbers or 50 first 50 odd numbers. They will ask like that. In that case, the series is AP only. Observe that number of terms and common difference. Substitute it in this formula, you will get standard deviation. Okay.